We are looking at how to pronounce correctly the name of this ancient Semitic-speaking Thalassocratic civilization. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names from history and biblical names as well, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you say it? No, it is not Phoenicia, but rather Phoenicia. You do want to stress on the second syllable. Phoenicia. The inhabitants of Phoenicia were called the Phoenicians. Phoenicians. Phoenicia was located in the region called the Levant in the eastern Mediterranean, not the Levant, but rather the Levant, a seaside suburb of Tunisia's capital, but also a historic city, Carthage. Carthage. An Anatolian people who played an important role in establishing an empire, a historical empire, the Hittites. Hittites, not Hittites or Hittites, but simply the Hittites, a city, historical city of Lebanon, Byblos, also said sometimes as Byblos, Byblos or Byblos. The earliest known civilization in the historical region of southern Mesopotamia, in British English, Sumer. Sumer. No, not Sumer, but rather Sumer. In American English, Sumer. Sumer. Sumer or Suma, remember, not summer. A Semitic-speaking civilization also, and region in the Near East, from ancient history, Canaan, not Canaan, but rather Canaan. Canaan, one of the oldest continually inhabited cities in the world, located in Lebanon, Tyre. Tyre, yes indeed. An ancient Akkadian-speaking state and cultural area, Babylonia. Babylonia, a state of Babylonia. And here you have it, now you know it all of the relevant names and related names from history around Phoenicia. Hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the world of pronunciation.